APC winning this election? I say this because you say that you helped Governor Obaseki win the 2 elections he had not had before, and we could see that it had been said to be a 3-horse race. So what would you say changed the game for the APC?
Yeah, you see, when we made Obaseki governor, I continue to insist, because Obaseki was never a politician. Obaseki never voted, just like us were in Edo State. But when Oshomole convinced us why we should support him, we all came together to support him. Second term, you see the role we played to also make him the governor of Edo State. Today, what is the game changer? The game changer is that all of us that God put together to assist Obaseki to be governor of Edo State, first term and second term, Obaseki has offended all of us and took out to the extent that he pushed out of PDP. So the game changer was refusing to share his program with us and feeling he can be an autocrat, he can become a dictator, and he wants to enforce. He feels he now has the money, which he never had in 2016, to use money to buy his way through. He feels that he can bring 73 million to my ward and make sure he wins my ward. If I'll show you the print of the type of money he brought to my ward to be able to win my ward, the amount of money he earmarked to buy votes in my ward. But when I saw that document, I laughed. And he also pushed a lot of people to transfer their polling unit to transfer their voting unit to my unit. And that is why in the state today, I have the highest number of PVC voters in my unit. And that's, and he also, so the game changer really is, we had 10 of us that contested for primaries in PDP. 9 of us, he told us to go to hell. The leaders like Dan Obi that went around with him to canvass for him, he said, go to hell. Though he started with Comrade El Shomole, then like that. If I give, the last time I counted, it's about 618 of us, key leaders, 618 key leaders that left PDP to APC. And the interesting thing, we that left APC to PDP, when we were returning, we left the Aborigine members of PDP to the extent that the world leaders, executive, were all resigning. The total number of people that resigned from my own side that I have the list is about 1,018 persons resigned from my own team, from government.